guys, what's up and welcome back to Bosskline TV channel. So today's vlog is just a very short vlog about my secret hobby. So I'm still waiting for this Sunday to do another vlog with the Bergman Street 125, and we will do a top speed vlog on Sunday. So hit that notification bell so that you will be updated for the next video to come next week. So for the meantime, I'm just going to share to you guys my secret hobby. So what is my secret hobby? Any ideas? So for those who don't know, I'm a builder and a collector of Gunpla. You know what Gunpla is? Or Gundam. Okay, Gundam model kits. So here are some of my Gundam model kits. Wow! So let's go ahead and check out my small collection. So guys, this is one of my collections, a short collection of Gunpla model kits. By the way, this is the bouquet of my wife on the wedding day. Yeah, we recently got married last August 29, 2020. So that's last year, and I don't want to, put this on the trash. So I decided to, make something out of it so that we can remember it and see it, because it costs us too much and it would be just a waste if we just throw it in the trash bin. So let me just open the lid, the door, so that you can see clearly. So starting off, this is the Wing Gundam, right? Wing Gundam Snow White version. This is actually not a Bandai kit. This is a third-party bootleg kit, but I just bought it because of the good price and how it looks. Yeah, that's an all-in package and it looks really mesmerizing. Really fits the display glass. Yeah, and this display glass is custom built. I asked a friend of mine to build this glass for me. It stands around 5'6" in height, 5 to 5'6" in height, with a width of 1.5 feet. Right, so that is one of my best limited edition Gunplas. And below, let me just turn on the lights. By the way, I just got these press-on LED lights at Shopee for around 200 bucks, 200 pesos I mean. Yeah, there it goes. And now, this is one of my most expensive Gunplas, the Herm High Resolution Model Kit, Bandai Astray Noir. Gundam Astray Noir. It costs around 10,000 pesos and it's still unbuilt, so I have to build this and put some stickers and detail it up. And I also have the Strike Remaster. I custom painted it, custom built this kit, and custom decal. So this is one of my favorite Gunplas. And I also have the Dynamis custom painted top coat with decals installed there. Right, so those are the trio in this segment. And to show you, this is my first kit, the Master Grade Astray Red Frame Kai. Yeah, I recently joined a competition here in my city, and this won 3rd place. Not bad for a first timer. And I also have the Gundam Barbatos MG. There. So they're doing a little stance. So that's all of my Gundam kits. There. I really like collecting Gundam kits, particularly MG size 1:100. I don't like small Gundams. I like the medium size Gundams. I don't like PG because they're too big for the shelf. Takes a lot of space. So I just like the MG size Gundams. And right now I'm waiting for my ordered Gunpla. The Destiny Gundam, one of my favorite Gunplas in the anime Gundam Destiny. Guys, let me show you how it looks like when the lights are off. Let me turn off the light, and let's see how this display looks like. Wait, let me turn off the lights. Alright, there you have it. Look how gorgeous they are. The Wing Gundam. Look how gorgeous it stands out of the display. And this as well. Look how mesmerizing they are. Wow, just wow. See? It looks so awesome. Damn. Let me close the lid. There you have it. Wow. Just awesome. Cool as fuck. Damn. It's cool, right guys? It's a good hobby, especially during the quarantine, because all you have to do is stay at home and get busy building your own Gunplas in your houses. So there you have it, folks. Those are my Gundam collections. Maybe you can post some of your videos or pictures on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this video for more updates on our channel. Thank you so much guys for watching, and see you next time.